Xiaomi was once the first company to launch a smartphone with over 2,000 wired charging, but is now switching its attention to building bigger batteries instead of chasing the diminishing gains of ever faster charging rates. The Chinese maker is developing a technology that will put a 7,000 mAh battery with 120W charging or a 7,500 mAh battery with 100W charging in a smartphone, reported Digital Chat Station on their Weibo channel. Here are all the combinations that are under consideration from the R&D Center in Nanjing Science and Technology Park, China. Capacity rate full charge 5,000 mAh 120W 18 minutes 5,500 mAh 10W 30 for minutes 6,000 mAh 120W 30 minutes 6,500 mAh 10W 49 minutes 7,000 mAh 120W 40 minutes 7,500 mAh 10W 63 minutes. Xiaomi is only one of many smartphone companies that are ditching the fast rates for a better battery capacity. Honor, Vivo, and OnePlus as well as Oppo and Realme are switching to silicon carbon cells that offer higher energy density, but not necessarily the fastest charging we've seen.